Hey, this is what it takes to be a successful trader. So my trading day doesn't start at 9:15. It starts now with my morning run and workout. There's this saying, if you really want to be good at something, you'd go out of your way to make it happen. You can't expect to wake up 15 minutes before the market start and be ready to trade. Trading is a mental game. It requires you to clear and soothe in your mind before you sit to trade. Just look at how beautiful this lake is. So, how many push-ups can I do? Well, that's the same ideology like how much can I earn from my trades today. If you keep a fixed target, that is all you're gonna achieve. So if I say I'm gonna do, let's say, 20, 30 push-ups, I would end at 20 or 30 push-ups. And if you do the same thing in trading, you keep a fixed target. Okay, I'm only gonna take this much from my trades. You would only take that much from your trades. But if I rather say I am gonna do 30 push-ups and then I'm gonna see if I can do more. And that's how trailing stop loss works. Whew. So is anyone keeping a count? Don't. You would get tired counting. Hey, it's now 8:35 a.m. and we have about 40 minutes before the market start. And the best way for you to experience how I trade is to see me trade in the market live. Now, before we go to that, you gotta first understand there are two essential points for being a profitable trader, and both are quite simple. Alright, first point, strategy is not as important as you think. Every trader who is losing money thinks they're losing because of their strategy. But honestly, even if you got a basic simple strategy, like the one where the price crosses the moving average line, you enter, and again it crosses the moving average line, you exit. That's good enough. You are good to go. It's rather the constant changing of strategies that's causing you to lose. So just stick to one strategy and preferably a simple one so it doesn't confuse you. And if you don't have a strategy in place, I've posted plenty of beautiful strategy videos. You can check them out. And again, if you do have one, you're good to go. So if a strategy is not important, what is important? This. Second point, risk management. Trading in the stock market is like swimming in the open wide ocean. You could be good at swimming, which is your strategy could be wonderful, but without a safety life jacket, even a single big wave could clear your account in no time. I've said this time and time again, and I even have numbers to prove this. If you use a stop loss for every trade with a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, you'd need a minimum of just 26% to be a profitable trader. That is, you need just 26 winning trades out of every 100 trades you take. And that's the power of risk management. Now, with these 2 points put across, let me quickly show you what my plan is and how I'll be trading today. So here I have the chart of Nifty and I'm going to quickly mark the area of support, which is this zone. As you can see, there are multiple reversals. So now it has broken through this resistance and now it has a nice empty freeway to shoot up until, let's draw the trend line. So until this trend line, it can shoot up in the next few days. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Alright, so what I'm seeing is there is this area, this line where there are a couple of reversals. So here it's taking resistance, it breaks through and now it's taking support. And if you see the way it's taking support, this is a clean reversal. Like I've spoken in my previous videos, a clean reversal candle is very important. Like here again, if I get the right setup but there are no reversal candles, I'm not taking the trade. Now, there are two ways I can plan to trade for the day. First and preferably would be if the price takes support in the trend line and it reverses with a reversal candle. Then I can enter and take a trade. And the second way we can trade is after a breakdown. And that might happen because if we go in the early chart, here we can see it's forming a flag pattern. It has formed one here, another here, and now here. For the new flag pattern, the pole is being formed, so it can either continue to go up or retest around this major support, form a flag pattern, and then continue to go up. So in case it retests, my plan would be to only take a flag breakout trade. And if it continues to form the pole, I'll wait for an entry for it to hit the support, make a neat reversal, and then take a reversal trade. So that's it. That's the trading plan. Okay, we have few minutes until the market opens and we have a gap up opening. So now we just wait. The price has filled in the gap and we might get an opportunity for a reversal. Let's have a clear look. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see how this plays out. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the last few minutes of the market and I didn't get a trade today. It can be quite frustrating to wait the whole day in front of the computer. It wasn't like continuously monitoring of the price. I was getting my other work done while keeping a close eye and observing the chart. Still, it's frustrating, but I wouldn't change a thing. I only enter if I find a clean entry according to the strategy I'm using. This could be the takeaway lesson for the day, to be patient and wait for the trades. Some days you might not get any trades, and that's okay. Trading is 95% waiting and 5% actually trading. Although I hope you understood the logic behind the strategy I planned on using, I'll link the related videos for this strategy in the description. And until next time, stay tuned.